So you can. I'm Simon. I am the practice manager of the London office for Cubewise, and yeah, I'm from the UK. I work for an insurance company. I was the Excel guy at the insurance company. Everyone came to me with their problems, and then we needed something better because we did everything in Access and Excel. It was terrible. And a guy joined who had used TM1 before, and he wanted to get TM1 for the insurance company. So we got TM1, and I was taken from my normal day job to help implement it. I had no idea what it was. I'd never seen it before, and yeah, it blew my mind. And I'm not going to look back. Awesome. So I remember it because I was sat in a meeting room at the insurance company. It was really boring, and I thought, this day's not, it was like really early in the morning, and the consultant had come in to teach us about how to do TM1 stuff. And he didn't start with any of the technical things or whatever. He started with Excel, and he had a slice in Excel, and there was a column of data, a couple of columns of data, and he just wrote June next to the May column, and the DBRW just popped into the column, and I was like, and it was the numbers different, and I was like, oh my God, so awesome. Like, it would have taken us hours to do that in Excel or Access, and it did it in like 5 seconds, and that was, I remember it, yeah, that was it. I don't know, it's difficult at the moment not to say AI or ChatGPT or something like that, right? Because I guess that's the future of everything to do with technology, but I think it just quietly continued to be awesome for a lot of companies that use it, and yeah, like it's a great tool, and yeah, I think it will continue what it's done best for the 40 years it's been around, and keep being a solid, dependable tool for enthusiasts who know what they're doing. A lot of other tools will run to the fancy things, adding in the fancy kind of look and feel, all that kind of stuff. But TM1 does the good stuff, does the important stuff really well. Like the performance, I guess the back end stuff really well, and all the extra stuff is gravy, right? So I think it'll just keep doing that. It's done it for 40 years. Other stuff's come and gone with the latest and greatest, but TM1's just always been there, and I think it'll keep doing that for another 40 years, I think. So yeah, that's what I think. Or ChatGPT, or AI is gonna do it, I don't know, one of
those. In the universe of TM1, the Lightbulb moment is described as the phenomenon of clarity that a business developer or manager has once encountering the advantages of TM1. We asked Cubewisers to share their Lightbulb moments. This is what they had to say.